Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to manage payrolls through Bluevine. Bluevine offers integration and tools to simplify payroll management, ensuring your employees and contractors are paid on time. Here's how to set it up. First step is to log into your Bluevine account via the web dashboard and then go to payments or payroll section. There you're going to select set up payroll. Now enter your business payroll information, including employer details, EIN, and payroll schedule. Add your employees or contractors by entering their names, bank details, and payment amount. Choose your funding source. It could be your Bluevine checking account or line of credit if enabled. Then review and confirm your payroll run. Once you're done with that, just go ahead and submit payrolls, and employees will receive funds directly into their account, usually via ACH transfers. Managing payrolls through Bluevine streamlines business operations and eliminates the need for separate banking platforms. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.